of America. Yes, you can see it. It says ballots in Arizona's Maricopa County found shredded and in dumpster days before the Senate audit. And if you can look, it's these ballots. So yeah, they shredded ballots in Arizona, Maricopa County. I have a video coming out on that. So I'm just waiting for YouTube to process that video and then I can upload it. So according to Breitbart, I'll be bringing on Casper Stockham, the guy from Colorado. I can't say anything. The guy from Colorado again. So according to Breitbart, Jason Miller, I guess, is he former president or the former advisor for Trump? He is suggesting that Donald Trump will be running in 2024 with Mike Pence. Let me pull up the story because this is either going to make me want to slap someone or it's going to make me want to slap someone because it's truly no, this one's crazy because it's an assumption that 2024 will be any different from this year. So let's look at this story. So Jason Miller, Trump not considering replacing Pence. No. I wonder who was pushing this story. Is thinking about, so apparently reports Bloomberg dumping Mike Pence if he seeks a rematch against Joe. He doesn't need a rematch if he won. Could it maybe be the supporters of Governor Nome, right, saying they want her instead? I can tell you, as somebody who probably speaks with him on the political side as much, if not more than anyone else, never has once there been a conversation internally, or different about doing something different for the VP position in 20. No. I'm glad he put if he decides to go that route. Trump's not. No. We need this fraud fixed now. Did I just kill my YouTube channel? We need this whatever's happening now fixed. Your first live show. Well, welcome to your first live show. So look, President Trump and Mike Pence, Judas, have had a couple of conversations about, no. I realize that some Trump supporters might be a little bit frustrated. A little bit? No, not just that. He's a great guy. No, he's a loyal ally. No, loyal. Loyal. Oh, he's about as loyal as a porn star. I'm sorry. Loyal teammate. And I think President Trump still has high regard and fondness for this. Is no. Mike Pence will not be welcomed. In fact, Trump would probably lose votes. This is not happening. First of all, there is no 2024. There's a 2021. And secondly, after that, if you think they did the thing they did now, what about next time? What about next time? The same servers, they're still in Italy. They're still in China. Some of them are, they're all over Europe. Some of them are in Germany, the same servers. You think they're going to change their mind about how they operate? Does the devil stop lying? No. And let me just show everyone the story. Ballots in Arizona's Maricopa County found shredded and in dumpster today. It came out an hour ago. I will be uploading a video on that. And then the HR one. Their thing and their plan worked so well, and it was illegal last time, that they're going to duplicate it. The HR one bill, they passed it? No way in hell they passed that. That was in the COVID bill? Mickey Flynn. That's funny. Mickey, not Mike, Mickey. Did your parents name you that? They said, not Mike Flynn, not Michael, Mickey. Well, look, did they pass HR 1? Did they? Brian saying no. Someone saying pass. I don't know which one. They didn't pass it yet. And it's not like look, they're going to do the same thing in 2022. These people don't care about laws. They don't care about rules. They don't care about guidelines. They don't care. They're willing to manipulate, change any law to fit their narrative, to fit their agenda. What makes anyone think 2024 will be normal? It won't be. You seen this? They shredded ballots in Arizona. I can't wait to publish this video. Either it's going to make me lose my channel, or we're fine. But YouTube's still checking to see if the video is fine to be uploaded. Hopefully they think it's fine to be uploaded because it's an important thing. Yeah, the Senate passed the $1.9 trillion inflation bill, which should probably make the stock market go up for a little bit. But inflation, it still has to go to the Senate. Yeah, the HR 1 bill. Yeah, Benny Thompson opposed that. It's in the Equality Act, I think, right? Yeah, the Rescue America plan. Rescue America? No. That's like Jeffrey Epstein having a daycare center with how manipulative these names are, like the Patriot Act. There's nothing patriotic about the government pretty much being able to spy on you legally. Nothing patriotic about it. There's no part of rescue in what? Oh, there's no Rescue Act there. The American Rescue Plan or the Rescue Act. It's so funny because 91% of the money is going towards useless projects. Yeah, so the inflation bill passed today, which, you know what? Yeah, what annoys me most is there are people there that are actually sitting there like, oh, they're watching 2024 prediction videos. You know, that's the funny thing. They're watching 2024 prediction videos. Some people are probably even getting 2024 signs. I want to slap you in the face because go read the Agenda 21. By summer this year, the economy should have crashed. We should be in some blockchain frequency state currency or something like that. No. Oh, no. It is not that easy to say, let's just mentally move our heads to 2024. No. Only the devil would tell you you have till 4 years. Only he would tell you got till yesterday. Okay, you got till yesterday. You got till tomorrow. All right, just keep waiting. You got till tomorrow. You're fine. He always tries to delay, but no, I'm not waiting till 2024. You can catch me not waiting, and they're gonna do the same thing. The next time it'll be legal. The best thing about what happened last time is that we caught it. We caught it. We are actively catching it. As much as it seems like no one's doing anything about it, but we know everything that's happening. We know the numbers. We understand that in Georgia, 400 of the 600,000 absentees have no chain of custody. We know that. That's not going to be the case in 4 years. They'll be more sophisticated. They'll have more control in the media. They'll have every channel on YouTube on lockdown, literal draconian lockdown. You can't say anything they disagree with, because if you do, you get your channel deleted. They will threaten anything they can to try and keep you to stay quiet. There's no way that you can stay quiet with this. Jim Jordan would be a good VP. Well, in 2021, when we're picking vice presidents, I'd like Mike Pompeo or Mike Flynn. Lin Wood, let's get Lin Wood. No. I personally like someone that's not a swamp creature, more preferably. I don't know who, but they need to be a normal person. I don't want any buys. Look, I'm all about my twos, but none of that. If you're confused in your private life, I don't want that. And some general came out and said the whistleblower is pretty credible. So just saying, some general, lieutenant general, or some lieutenant. Was it lieutenant, or I don't know. By the way, Casper Stockham will be coming on the show in 20 minutes, so can't wait for him. Let me check this out. Where are you, Lynn? Lynn always texts me. So, yeah. General Tom McInnes, that has some odd name. He agrees. Lieutenant General Tom He's saying that the whistleblower is absolutely credible. That's a general. He would know a lot. And you want me to want Mike Pence? No, come on. He should figure out which dude he wants next, not which vice president post he's looking for, not which ticket. No, hell no. I don't never have believed Linwood. He was acting nuts. No, Linwood is absolutely credible. Why? Because he's a lawyer that's been practicing defamation for 43 years. Mike Pence or John Roberts have not come out to sue Linwood on the issues at hand. And it's very verifiable that John Roberts' kids aren't actually his. Yes, they're not his kids. And they're actually from Ireland. And one of them is from Wales, I believe. And they got those kids and adopted them illegally. And they do have connections to Jeffrey Hot Dog E, Mr. E, we'll call him that. Mr. Pizza E. That's what we'll call him. So they do have connections. Linwood is credible. If Mike Pence knew that Linwood was lying and slandering and defaming his name, he would come out and sue Linwood to prove his case wrong. Remember, we're in a justice system. Mike Pence would know better lawyers than just about anybody on the earth, but he hasn't done that. The whistleblower that came forward is verifiable. This general agrees. That's a general, not me saying it. That's a general that would know a lot, would also understand defamation.